Hey, Bill. All right. Here's your 938 SD sitting on my 69 CJ5. Testing and adjustment went well. Very pleased with it. We'll look down inside. You can see it's nice and dry down in there. No leaks, no runs, no errors. All right. No leaks underneath. Everything is set correct. That's warm. Yes. Okay, nice and dry. All right. Well, let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, there she goes. Yes, sir. All right. And you might see a little residual from the pumping I did, but other than that, all right. Well, let's look at some numbers. Right now, she's idling at about 680. Looking real good. Fuel pressure is about 4.75. Yeah, I need a space around that. Vacuum, almost 21. Oh yeah, looking good. And I should probably adjust those valves this time. All right, well, let's go ahead and pull it through a few times. Looking good. Alrighty. Excellent. All right, my friend. I think that'll do you.